Hi, I'm Alan Keegan from Tiger Trading, and today I want to talk about my favorite feature of the platform, the Smart Order Book. So, what the Smart Order Book here is I think the most revolutionary thing that happens in our UX, in that it's already a major benefit to a retail trader to be able to look at multiple exchanges at the same time, trade across multiple assets and different exchanges at the same time. What the Smart Order Book lets you do is seamlessly access all of the liquidity available on each of the exchanges that you have your account linked to as though it were a single exchange. So what we're looking at right here is a Smart Order Book for ETH BTC, next to the order book for Binance ETH BTC, next to the order book for Coinbase Pro ETH BTC. And what you'll notice immediately if you're looking at these is the Smart Order Book is crossed. So what the Smart Order Book is, and I'm holding this frozen here so we can talk through some of the orders that are appearing, is all the different orders from each of the other exchanges you're linked to, presented as though it were a single order book. So you'll see that we actually are getting a best bid and a best offer separately from Binance and Coinbase Pro. So we have here from Binance, and then we have this offer here coming from Coinbase Pro, and our overall order book in the synthetic Smart Order Book is crossed. So what this means is any liquidity that exists anywhere, any best price that exists anywhere on the exchanges you otherwise access is seamlessly integrated into one place where you can interact with it. Now, there's two things I want to point out here. One is you'll sometimes see, and there may have an example right here, 18860, 12.5. Yeah, great. So you might have an example where you want to go hit an order that exists in the market that's on two separate exchanges on the back end. So you'll see here at this price, 18860, we have 255 Bitcoin of liquidity. And what that means is that we're getting actually 12.5 from over here on Binance, and then we're getting another 230 from over here on Coinbase Pro. If you go hit that order on the Smart Order Book, we will go hit those separate orders on the two different exchanges on the back end. But with you get to interact with the order and be a taker in this case, as though that order were existing on a single order book here within the platform. Now, obviously there's a question here of what happens when you do limit orders, because you don't want to be floating those orders on both the exchanges potentially and then canceling them. The way a limit order actually works on the synthetic order book is more of a conceptual limit order. It'll sit inside of our order manager until the liquidity appears on any exchange, and then it'll actually act as a taker on the individual exchange. So it works as a limit inside of our order manager, but then actually takes when it executes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions left, let us know. We'll make more videos to explain anything, and make sure to sign up for our free beta at tigertrading.com.